The most terrifying cave incidents ever. Deep underground, there are places where one wrong step means you may never come back. Some people enter caves thinking it's just exploration. But what happens next turns into terrifying situations no one expects. These are 5 cave incidents that feel almost impossible to survive. Story 1. Floyd Collins. In 1925, explorer Floyd Collins entered a cave in Kentucky searching for a major discovery. But deep inside, a shifting rock trapped his leg inside a narrow tunnel. He was stuck more than 60 feet underground, with almost no room to move. Rescue teams tried digging toward him, but every attempt made the cave even more unstable. His story became a national sensation, with thousands following every rescue attempt. After 17 days underground, Floyd Collins died from exhaustion and lack of water. Story 2. Thai Cave Rescue. In 2018, a youth football team entered a cave in Thailand for a simple adventure. But heavy rain flooded the tunnels, cutting off their exit completely. They were trapped deep inside, sitting on a small rock surrounded by rising water. After days of searching, divers finally found them alive in complete darkness. The rescue became one of the most complex operations ever attempted underground. Against all odds, every single person was brought out alive. Story 3. Dave Shaw. Cave diving is already dangerous, but some explorers push it further. Dave Shaw discovered something shocking deep inside the cave. He found the body of another diver who had been lost for years. He tried to recover the body, but conditions were extremely dangerous. During the attempt, Dave Shaw never made it back. Story 4. Mossdale Caverns. In 1967, 6 experienced cavers entered Mossdale Caverns in the UK. Sudden heavy rain turned the cave system into a deadly trap. Water filled the narrow passages faster than they could escape. There was no high ground, only rising water and darkness. All 6 cavers lost their lives in the worst caving disaster in UK history. Story 5. Nutty Putty. In 2009, John Edward Jones entered Nutty Putty Cave in Utah. He entered an unmapped passage that narrowed into a vertical tunnel. He became stuck upside down, unable to move in any direction. Rescue teams tried for over 24 hours, but the position made extraction nearly impossible. The longer he stayed trapped, the worse the situation became. He died inside the cave, and the entrance was later sealed forever. These stories show one truth: underground, nature always decides the rules. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. You can give suggestions in the comment box. Thanks a lot.